In a world once ruled by supermodels and celebrities, a new kind of star is quietly rising. They don't age, they never sleep, and they're not human. These are AI influencers, digital beings with faces crafted by algorithms, personalities shaped by data, and a purpose built entirely for performance. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. We bring you in-depth explorations of the most groundbreaking shifts in technology, AI, and the future of human interaction. And you won't want to miss what's coming next. Today, we explore the evolution of branding, the ethics of artificial fame, and the digital personas that are now reshaping global marketing. This is the story of the rise of AI influencers and the fading dominance of human faces in the world of branding. The concept of virtual influencers isn't entirely new. It began with characters like Lil Miquela, a virtual model created in 2016 who blurred the line between fiction and reality. On Instagram, she looked real. She had style, drama, and even a music career. But behind her was a team of digital artists and marketers. She never existed, yet had millions of followers. Then came Shudu Gram, the world's first digital supermodel. Her elegance captured the fashion world, landing her partnerships with brands like Balmain and Fenty Beauty. Her striking image ignited debates around race, beauty standards, and the future of modeling. Critics argued that she represented the exploitation of Black beauty without representation or compensation. These early influencers opened the door to a new genre of fame, one that didn't require a real human being, just pixels, programming, and a compelling narrative.
Generated influencers are filling a vacuum of social connection in many people's lives at the moment. But young men, they're not actually gaining any experience here. They're not learning how to connect with a real human being. I think they're falling in love with a promise.
As he plummets deeper and deeper into the online world and turns its back on reality, a new type of social media influencer is winning hearts and minds. They are totally fake, yet people are totally falling in love with them.
Why would brands invest in a virtual model instead of a real one? The answer is control. AI influencers are perfect brand ambassadors. They never make mistakes, they always follow scripts, and they can be customized to reflect brand values precisely. Unlike humans, AI doesn't get involved in scandals, miss deadlines, or demand higher fees. For companies, AI models are cost-effective. They can be rendered in any environment, from the streets of Tokyo to the beaches of Bali, without stepping outside a studio. With AI, time zones, flights, and logistics disappear. More importantly, they allow brands to test hyper-personalization and audience targeting in ways humans never could. Want your influencer to speak Portuguese in Brazil and Japanese in Tokyo? Done. Want them to embody Gen Z values in one campaign and millennial nostalgia in another? Easy. Plus, AI influencers don't age, they don't burn out, and they're available 24/7. For marketers, it's like having the perfect spokesperson forever. Powerful generative AI lies at the core of these digital celebrities. Tools like DAZ 3D, Unreal Engine, and MetaHuman allow creators to build hyper-realistic faces and bodies. Neural networks learn patterns in facial expressions, gestures, and even speech to bring these personas to life. Voice cloning technology, like 11 Labs, Descript, and Resemble AI, allows these influencers to have human-like voices tailored to regional accents or emotional tones. Some even come equipped with sentiment analysis to adjust their tone depending on the user's reaction. Natural language models like GPT power real-time interactions. When fans comment, these influencers respond, not with canned replies, but with convincing, sometimes witty, real-time engagement. Digital influencers are sometimes built on top of live AI agents that can evolve, adjusting their content and behavior based on feedback, trending topics, and cultural shifts. Aitana Lopez, a pink-haired Spanish-speaking AI model, has partnered with lingerie brands, fitness apps, and skincare lines. With her curated feed, she's become a cultural touchpoint for Gen Z audiences. Ima, a digital model from Japan, has appeared in luxury fashion magazines, walked virtual runways, and modeled for IKEA's Japan campaigns. Then there's No Nuwuri, a CGI influencer with an edgy, high-fashion persona who has worked with Dior, Versace, and more. Luxury car companies like BMW and Mercedes-Benz are testing AI spokespeople for launches and concept campaigns. And AI mascots are replacing customer service reps in Asia, especially in gaming and tech. In some campaigns, AI influencers outperform their human counterparts, not only in reach and engagement, but also in click-through rates and sales conversions. Their novelty, visual perfection, and cultural neutrality make them ideal ambassadors in the hyperglobal marketplace. Why do millions follow AI influencers? What makes us care about a character that we know is fake? This is the power of parasocial relationships. One-sided emotional bonds formed with media personas. For decades, fans cried over soap operas, idolized pop stars, and even mourned fictional deaths. AI influencers are the latest evolution of that emotional wiring. For Gen Z and Gen Alpha, the digital world isn't a separate realm, it's part of their identity. They grew up with avatars, filters, and virtual friends. To them, the line between real and digital is thinner. AI influencers often feel more responsive, more visually polished, and less problematic than real people. They offer a connection without unpredictability, comfort without drama. But not everything about virtual fame is positive. As AI influencers rise, so do the concerns. First, there's the issue of digital labor. Who creates these personas, and are they fairly compensated? When a virtual black model is created by white developers, does it count as digital blackface? Then there's the problem of body image. Many AI influencers have hyper-perfect bodies, unattainable even by human standards. They set the bar higher than reality, reinforcing toxic beauty ideals. There's also misinformation. Deepfake influencers could be used to spread propaganda, sell fake products, or impersonate real people. When reality is this easy to fake, trust becomes fragile. And finally, there's a question of identity. When an influencer isn't real, who takes responsibility for their influence? We're just getting started. In the near future, AI influencers will become fully interactive avatars, attending virtual events, hosting talk shows, even giving personalized fashion advice. Already, China's top live streamers include fully AI-generated hosts. Some run 24/7 live streams, never taking breaks and earning thousands of dollars per day. Western brands are catching on. Actually, the future is hybrid, human and AI influencers coexisting. One adds relatability, the other offers consistency. Expect brands to build teams that include both, just like actors in CGI and film. Soon, we may see AI influencers evolve with us, changing fashion styles, personalities, and even languages, all based on viewer feedback and data-driven trend analysis. So, should you follow an AI influencer? There's no right answer. If you value creativity, storytelling, and style, many AI personas offer fresh, boundary-pushing content. If you prioritize authenticity and human connection, the synthetic world might feel hollow. The key is awareness. Know what you're consuming. Ask who's behind the content. And remember, not everything perfect is real, and not everything real is perfect. The digital world is here to stay, and as audiences, we get to choose what we amplify. The influencer landscape is transforming. What began as a platform for self-expression has become a trillion-dollar marketing machine. Today, that machine is being reshaped by code, algorithms, and synthetic identities. We are entering a future where your favorite celebrity might be a line of code. Your next skincare tip might come from an algorithm. And your digital role model might not even have a heartbeat. It's not a question of replacement, but of evolution. AI isn't here to erase human creativity. It's here to challenge, complement, and expand it. Thanks for watching. If you found this documentary insightful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone curious about the future of technology. We've got much more coming. Until next time, stay curious, stay critical, and stay human.